Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you are new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now looking back at our 1-0 victory against Legon cities, if you look closely in the second half, Frimpong was deployed in the midfield to partner with Sule Muniru after our injury concerns. So after the game, I asked Maxwell Konadu to explain why he plays Frimpong in the midfield and also explain why Frimpong also switched with Christopher Nate in the right back and Christopher Nate moved to the midfield position. I asked Maxwell Konadu and this is what he said.
You know, we can't put everything out there because Anabila just came from injury. And from the way the game was, heading towards, we didn't want to commit a player who is just returned from injury, go out there and anything could happen. So we needed a much fitter player to, go and play so that we could be sure that we have a very good 45 minutes. We have too many versatile players. They can play at a point we were even planning to bring Asma deep in midfield. So that is how good the players are. They play more than 2-3 positions. So when we move them around, we are comfortable playing.
Maxwell Konadu also talked about Naby Keita and William Opoku-Mensah. They asked him when William Opoku-Mensah will feature for Asante Kotoko. There are reports that William Opoku-Mensah has about 30 days or less than 30 days left in his contract, and there are reports that he might leave. This is what Maxwell Konadu had to say about William Opoku-Mensah's situation.
We can't come to play Legon City and dress 4 strikers. If we had not, gotten too many midfielders in the team, we would have, been in a big problem. So I said William Opoku-Mensah will get his time or chance to play. We just played 3 matches. So we need patience for the team. Yeah, he wasn't too well, and he's still working hard to, get back on track. So we need to give him time a bit.
Maxwell Konadu was also asked about Fabio Gama's debut. They were asking when the player will play his first game for Asante Kotoko, and this is what he had to say.
He's now almost ready. Whilst we are working on his documentation, his fitness level is now good. I was impressed with the way he trained this week. So let's see the coming days and see if everything is ready. We'll be introducing him very soon.